guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Nini coming at you with another video, and what did I do today? I created two different looks using one palette. Now, I didn't originally I'm not saying like this is an original kind of video. There's videos all over YouTube showing you numerous looks using one palette to show versatility, and I love that, especially when palettes have bright colors. I love it when people break it down because I know bright colors can be intimidating to some people, and I love to see other artists break down the colors and show you how to achieve like a simple look like this. This is so simple, but still glam, still a little pop of something, and then you can really change it up and smoke it out a little bit, add some darker colors, and just really take it there. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it, you guys. If you do like it, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already for future content. If you have any requests, let me know in the comments down below. I did do this look because somebody had requested I use the purple shadows in this palette, and I thought it would be the perfect opportunity to do these types of videos that I had already been planning, where I do a simple and a dramatic look. I love showing versatility. I love encouraging people to try color because it's so much fun. Like literally once you get started in color, you cannot stop because it's like the barrier's broken from just your neutrals. And I'm not saying neutrals are bad. I love my neutrals. I love my browns. I love my golds and, you know, my warmer tones and my taupes and all that stuff. Being a neutral girl is fun, but once you open up the door to color, you guys, it's like your makeup game starts changing. I love it. When I finally like started playing, well, you know what, I kind of always played in color. I'm not gonna go there. Did I do it well when I first started? No, but you know, it's a learning process, so that's cool. Anyways, you guys, enough with the rambling. If you want to see how I got this simple and this extra dramatic look, then please keep on watching. Okay, I'm going to start with the simple glam eye look first, and I will be using the purples in this palette, and of course we're going to start off with priming the lids. Now for both eye looks, I am not going to be setting my primer. I'm going to leave it tacky so the pigment sticks better. Taking Purple Majesty for my transition shade, and I'll be using a fluffy brush from Morphe Cosmetics to apply it. Next, I'll be picking up It's a Violet, like it's lit but violet, get it, on the shadow brush and applying that to my eyelid. I'm going to apply it dry at first, and then I'm going to reapply it foiled, spraying it down with some Mario Badescu spray. Next, I'll be picking up the shade Pearl Fiction and with a flat shader brush and highlighting my brow bone. And then I'm going to go ahead and start on the dramatic eye. I'm going to go ahead and prime my eye. And as you can see, I get really messy with my primer, and I do that when I'm doing it before foundation. I don't know, I just get a little silly. I'll be taking Purple Majesty, the same transition shade I used on the simple glam eye, and applying that for my transition shade for the dramatic eye. Next, I'll be taking this deep purple called Make It Rain on it's kind of like a pencil brush, fluffy brush hybrid. It's from Sonia Kashuk, and I'll be applying that on the outer half of my lid. I'll be applying this shade called Loaded Lilac and applying that to the inner half of my eyelid. And then to get a seamless gradient effect, I'm going to take this deep metallic purple called Amethyst and apply it in the center of my lid, feathering out towards the other two shades, and then I'll be taking a cotton round with some makeup remover and cleaning up my under eyes. And because this tutorial is based more on the eyes, I'm going to go ahead and do my face and brows off of camera. And then going back to the eyes to do the finishing touches, I'm taking Pearl Fiction and going over my brow bone once again and then highlighting my inner corner with that same shade. And then for the final step for the simple eye, I'm just going to apply some mascara to my top and bottom lashes. I'm using the NYX Doll Eye Waterproof Mascara. And that completes the simple eye portion of the tutorial. Now I'm going to be adding the finishing touches to the dramatic eye. I'm taking this black gel liner and lining my waterline and my lash line and then smudging it out with a pencil brush. And then I'm going to be adding this purple shade called Grape Mines over that black eyeliner and smoking it out. To highlight my brow bone, I'm using that white shimmery shade in Pearl Fiction again. And then I'll be taking this soft purple shade called Lavender and applying that to my inner corner. And when I turn my head, you can see the big difference between Pearl Fiction and Lavender. I love how Lavender turned out on my inner corner highlight. It was so pretty. Next, I'll be winging out my eyeliner using Too Faced Sketch Marker Liquid Liner. Next, I'll be applying mascara and false lashes off of camera and then moving on to my lips. I'm using Morphe lip liner in Twinkle and this Laura Geller lip gloss. I cannot remember what the name is for the life of me, but it's really pretty. It's purple with blue glitter reflex, but the purple isn't super pigmented. It's actually pretty sheer, but it gives your lips a nice tint. So that was it for today's look. Thank you so much to Karina for requesting this look using the purples and the 39S Such a Gems palette by Morphe. This is really fun. I had planned to do looks like this after the holidays starting in the new year, where I took one palette and did a simple glam look versus a dramatic look to show versatility in a palette. I know I'm not the first person to make videos like this. I know there's people who even take it up to like 9 looks, 1 palette, which I think is amazing, but this is enough for me. I get a kick out of it. I like to show simplicity versus complexity. Ooh, look at me with my vocabulary. I know words. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know, do you like the simple glam look? Is this more your cup of tea? Or is this dramatic look more your jam? Let me know. I could go either or on the days that I'm running out on errands. I'm gonna keep doing this, you guys. I think it's so much fun. On days I'm running errands and stuff like that, I like to put on something like this. Maybe I'm not doing anything, I'm gonna go hang out with friends on a simple day. This is what I like to do. Then again, if I'm hanging out with friends and I have the time to get ready, I like to really play with my makeup and really take it there. So I guess it just depends on my mood. I'm gonna end the video here because I feel like I keep repeating myself. But let me know in the comments down below which look you liked more. Did you like the simple glam look, or do we like the extra AF glam look? Let me know in the comments down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!